Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Thinking about buying a drone? It's an exciting venture, but before you dive in, there are a few must-know tips to keep in mind. First, let's talk budget. Drones come in all price ranges, from under $100 to thousands of dollars. Decide what you're willing to spend, and remember, you often get what you pay for. Cheaper drones are great for beginners, but if you're planning on serious aerial photography, you might want to invest in a higher-end model. Next, consider the purpose. Are you into photography, racing, or just looking to have some fun flying around? Knowing your primary use will help narrow down your choices. Photography drones usually have better cameras and stabilization, while racing drones are built for speed and agility. Battery life is another critical factor. Most drones offer flight times between 10 to 30 minutes. Plan for extra batteries if you want extended flying sessions. Trust me, nothing kills the vibe faster than a dead battery mid-flight. Now, let's talk about features. GPS and return-to-home functions are lifesavers, especially for beginners. Obstacle avoidance is another fantastic feature to look for to keep your drone safe. But remember, more features often mean a higher price tag. Once you've picked your drone, it's time to get familiar with the controls. Spend time practicing in an open area away from people and obstacles. Trust me, you'll want to avoid any accidents while you're still learning. And don't forget to check local regulations. Some areas have strict rules about where and how high you can fly. Always fly responsibly and respect privacy. Lastly, join the community. There are tons of online forums and local clubs where you can learn tips, share experiences, and even participate in drone meetups. Being part of a community can make your drone flying experience even more rewarding, so there you have it. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be soaring through the skies like a pro in no time. Happy flying!